Hello. Welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial series. In this video, we'll be diving into the control flow statements and how it works in JavaScript. Don't worry if you're new to programming, we'll explain everything in simple terms. So let's get started. Let's start with the break statement. This statement is used to terminate a loop or switch statement prematurely. It allows us to exit a loop or switch statement before the condition is met or all cases have been evaluated. Imagine we have a while loop that counts from 1 to 10, but we want to stop the loop once we reach the number 5. We'll declare a variable called count and set it to 1. Inside the while loop, we'll check if the value of count is equal to 5. If it is, we'll use the break statement to exit the loop. As soon as the value of count becomes 5, the loop will be terminated and the program will continue executing the code after the loop. Now, let's move on to the continue statement. This statement allows us to skip the current iteration of a loop and move on to the next iteration. Consider a scenario where we want to print all even numbers from 1 to 10, but skip the number 6. Inside the while loop, we'll check if the value of count is equal to 6. If it is, we'll use the continue statement to skip that iteration. When count is 6, the continue statement will be triggered, and the loop will skip to the next iteration without executing the remaining code in the loop for that particular iteration. Let's put what we've learned into practice in a quiz. In which type of loop can the break statement be used? Right answer, D. What is the purpose of the continue statement in JavaScript? Right answer, B. I hope this explanation has been helpful to you. Happy coding!